Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and potato chip dunker.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Kate is making my recipe for a garlic dip that wants to come to your next get-together. Think of it like onion dip, but instead of caramelizing onions for an hour, you toast garlic for 5 minutes. Using non-stick means we won't leave behind any garlicky bits. Season the Greek yogurt with salt and pepper. Refrigerate for at least an hour or up to a couple days. You could serve it plain, but we're going to add a quick garnish. More fried garlic. Slicing the cloves lengthwise creates chips. And that's toasted garlic dip in 2 ingredients. Let's eat.